Clean once again. Perfect. Good the audio is going to be on this, but that is all smoke. It is people are burning off stubble, like what's in the field here, to plant a new crop for the year. And it looks a little worrying because it's obviously a big plume cloud of smoke, but hopefully they have it under control. I don't know that I would have picked today to do this, but it's I think the wind's blowing at probably 20 to 30 kilometers an hour, so it's not necessarily a calm day, but I guess in hindsight the wind is blowing that way, so it's away from the house, which is nice. And I was waiting for this weather system to come around, but it doesn't look like it is going to. just got back from the city 20 minutes ago. Unpacked all my stuff and just basically following that weather system. I was looking at it ever since basically halfway home, so yeah. Thought I would show you the smoke and the weather system, and I think it's April 10th today, and again I don't know how good this audio is going to be because I don't have my mic on, so yeah, bit of an update.